So this is like the peak chair
Just did France
waiting chronicles again.
and the tree lines. It's fucking awesome.
An hour.
We could be here for an hour, maybe 2. Yeah. Tiger's Terrace is probably good. This space I think will be good.
G will probably be good.
Which one is Riders?
Doom and Gloom?
Oh yeah.
Which one? Doom or Gloom?
Both sides.
Oh, it's my 36th day. And I'm hanging out here at the peak chair. If you don't think there's any snow, just have a look at the wind blowing in stuff here. The knee seems to be holding up. We'll see what happens. 9:33, the chair is running. That's a good sign. There's nobody in line. Shocked. Look at nobody. There's the fitness guy.
Oh, I saw that one. You're like,
I'm not going down there.
I remember that. You drew the line. I think you were going. I've never been in that zone though, because that's like high left.
That's high.
High left. And I think that drops into another line.
No, it drops in. It's yeah, and I was like, and I'm like, no
Yeah,
chance, Adam. I'm going down there.
I've seen my line's on the right.
Yeah, that's the one on the right. The lower, it's lower.
No, like so. You know the main entrance.
The one that you'd go up.
So you walk up.
Okay, back on top of West Cirque. And as you can see, you can't see. Yeah.
Main entrance.
Yeah.
So you actually hike up a little bit on the right.
Okay.
And go into the next chute.
All right, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, just you could do it now.
In a little more wind.
Right. It's not even steep here. Wow. All right, well, let's get some turns going. Crusty. Woo! Whoa! So crusty.
But all this. Oh yeah.
This side's gonna be awesome. The other side's probably.
Yeah, it's thick.
You know, all of Westridge would be good coming down this way too. Escalator. All right, gonna go down Escalator. Oh, looks nice. Ho-ho! I won't do elevator. I did sunrise in that course last year. I've looked at it this year going, I'm never going down that thing. Yeah, man. Nice.
Yeah, I know. It's one of those weird times.
Oh, it's starting to build. Look at. But they're not first in line. We're first in line.
Yeah.
Yeah, first in line.
Woo! Doing it.
1 minute 30. Waiting for this cornice to blow. Waiting. Oh! That was good. Time update. It's 10:35 and they're digging out the chair. You're doing a better job than the patrollers. At least you're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
They're digging out the chair up there somewhere. We're still waiting. I think I've been here for an hour and a bit. Oh, that just shut off. Have a good one, man. Yoo-hoo! Oh, come on. What's this? You guys know I'm in no rush. Can't see anything.